Hello everyone. I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, Faculty, Management Department of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on digital marketing. Digital marketing is an umbrella term for the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. The first approaches to digital marketing defined it as a projection of conventional marketing, its tools and strategies on the internet. However, the particularities of the digital world and its appropriation for marketing have fostered the development of channels, formats, and languages that have led to tools and strategies that are unthinkable offline. Today, rather than a subtype of conventional marketing, digital marketing has become a new phenomenon that brings together customization and mass distribution to accomplish marketing goals. Technological convergence and the multiplication of devices have led to an opening up of the ways in which we thinking about marketing in internet have pushed the boundaries towards a new concept of digital marketing, user-centered, more measurable, ubiquitous, and interactive. The development digital marketing strategies offer much potential for brands and organizations. Some of them are as follows. First, branding. Platforms and 2.0 services are a great opportunity to build a brand image on the web due to their scope, presence, and constant updates. Second, completeness. The possibilities to disseminate the information through links offer consumers a chance to approach the organization in a wider and customized way. Third, usability functionality. Web 2.0 offers simple and user-friendly platforms for all in order to improve user experience and allow for their activities. Next, interactivity. In the context in which organizations try to forge long-term relationships with their audiences, internet offers the possibility of having conversation and therefore of generating a positive experience with the brand. Such interactivity can be basic as product assessment or become an encompassing experience. Next, visual communication. In line with visual thinking, digital marketing offers marketers different image and video based tools. This is an interactive way of reaching audiences that can lead to greater experience. Next, relevant advertising. Easy segmentation and customization of advertising in internet maximize the output. Besides, free from the limitations of other media, this environment has allowed for more attractive advertising. Next is community connections. Internet is a unique opportunity to connect organizations with the audiences and users among themselves. This connectivity can improve their experience and enhance the relationship with the product, brand, or organization. Next is virality. The essence of internet as a web of interconnected nodes makes an exponential expansion of any content possible. Taking the model of WOM, that is word of mouth communication, viral communication becomes more relevant due to connectivity, instantness, and shareability of online platforms that enhance the dissemination of content. Next is measuring output. Online platforms rank first in the availability of follow-up options and the possibility to assess output. In any case, to make the best of all these possibilities, organizations must ensure that the internet presence or their presence on their different 2.0 channels follows a strategy with concrete goals in line with their brand or organizational image. Being on the web without proper planning can not only mean a lost opportunity in terms of resources and potential, but also it can indeed have a negative impact on the organization. As the audience, their needs a perception regarding the organization are unknown. So I hope that you understood the topic digital marketing. Thank you very much.